Hi, I'm Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather lovely 1963 Daimler 2.5 V8 automatic. Very early car, this one. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of startup and idling on this Daimler 2.5 V8 automatic. Ignition light comes on. They don't have an oil warning light, they just have an oil pressure gauge, and it is warm at the moment. We'll press the starter button. Starts nicely and settles down to a nice idle. Oil pressure is low at the minute because we have just been out for a run and we're idle, so I'd expect it to be where it is, around about 15 psi. Not getting hot. All the instruments working as they should, apart from the clock, which never ever works. In all my years of Mark II Jaguars, I've never had one with a working clock. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, here we are under the bonnet of this rather lovely Daimler 2.5 V8. Beautiful, creamy, smooth 2.5 litre V8 on this one. Doing what it's supposed to do. Running very nicely. No funny noises, no funny smells. Just getting on with the job. Very, very pleasant indeed. Next up, we have driving. Okay, so here we are out in this Daimler 2.5 V8. For those that don't know, it's basically the same as a Mark II Jaguar, except instead of the straight six engine, it's got the creamy smooth Daimler 2.5 V8 engine in it, and Daimler badging, and the front seats are slightly different, but apart from that, it's basically a Mark II Jaguar. Anyway, this one's showing 81,000 miles. I need to go through the history to see if we can deduce if that's likely to be genuine or not, but overall the condition, especially the interior, which is absolutely gorgeous, would lead me to think that yes, it's probably had a body and mechanical restoration, but interior wise it's as it was when in 1963. It's absolutely lovely. Starts on the button. There's no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. The temperature gauge is sitting just below the halfway point. We've got good oil pressure. Yeah, just gets on with it. All the instruments seem to be working. Gearbox changes gear nice and smoothly. Going down the road, there's no clunks or bangs. I have got my window open on the driver's side, so it might be a little bit noisier than normal, purely because it is really muggy here today, and I'm just going to roast if I don't, so I'm a bit overdressed. But yeah, just a super car. Steers nicely. This one hasn't got power steering. It was an option on Daimlers of this age. This one wasn't fitted with it, but in fairness, the all aluminium 2.5 litre V8 is a lot lighter than the Jaguar straight sixes, so power steering isn't really that necessary unless you're a 7-stone weakling. But it does steer nicely. Oh, there's some deer crossing the road. 1, 2, 3. Any more of them? No, 3 deer. There's a couple there still. I've got a lot of deer here at the minute. As you can see, for those deer there, it does stop nicely as well. Pedal doesn't need a massive shove. It has got discs all round with a servo. Obviously not up to modern braking standards, but pretty good for all that. And rides really nicely, so without any bumps or clunks or groans or anything. It just gets on with it. Turn right here. Big sweeping turn, this one. And there we go. No clunking or banging with heavy lock on there. I'm just here going over these really heavy bumps. A slight knock from probably one of the rear shock bushes at the back, but you've got to go over some pretty heavy bumps for that to happen. And around we go again. back out on the main road, we'll give it a little squirt. Although I do have to watch out for those deer. Yep, road's clear. Pulls away as it should. We're now doing 50 miles an hour, or indicated 50. Speedo does flicker very slightly, but it is sitting around the 50 area. So that's what happens with a cable speedo. Just performing really well. I'm struggling to find fault with it. I really am. I do know I can't make the radio work, so there's a potential issue. Beautiful creamy smooth V8 on this. Slow down now as we're coming back into the village. Even the indicators are self-cancelling. So there we have it. I think it's really nice. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.